Hello students, let us discuss the problems on curve fitting when you have a geometric curve. In my previous videos, I have discussed exponential curve, I have discussed straight line and I have discussed parabolic curve. Also, we are done with the correlation and regression. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you will be updated with the latest uploads. Now let us discuss the geometric curve. Now what exactly is a geometric curve? Suppose if I am giving you a data of x and y and I am asking you fit a curve y is equal to a x to the power b. So this is called the power curve or the geometric curve. Now how to handle this curve? Now first I'll take log. Since power is there, I want to get rid of power. So log y is equal to log a plus b log x. Now this log y I don't want, so I'll put capital Y is equal to capital A plus b capital X. So this is a straight line which I can solve as my straight line. Always take care when you are taking a log, it is base E. So what I will be doing, in question they'll give the column of x and y. You have to frame a column of capital X which is equal to log of x with base E, capital Y which is equal to log of y base E, and then when you write the normal equation for this, apart from summation y, summation x, you will have summation x square and you will also have xy. So this column you will be finding out and then you will add up, you will substitute the values in this to get the value of capital A and small b. Right. Now small b is fine. For capital A what I will be doing, log A is equal to capital A implies small a is equal to e to the power a. So I'll get the value of small a. Now this value of small a and small b I will substitute here to get my answer. Same way, if you have y is equal to a b to the power x. Here also you take log. So log y is equal to log a plus x log b. Okay. So this will be y is equal to a plus xb. Again it is a linear equation. Now when you are solving this linear equation, remember one thing. When you write the normal equation, first normal equation is summation y is equal to na plus summation x into b. Okay, now multiply the whole equation by small x because there is no change in x. Though in the previous case, x was also changed. So while writing the normal equation, I should multiply by capital X. So here I will be multiplying by small x only. So it will be x y is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So my columns will be x, y, then capital Y which is equal to log y base E. Then I'll have x square and then I'll have x into y. These summations I'll substitute in the normal equation which will give me the value of capital A and capital B. So now you should take care that small a is nothing but e to the power a and small b is nothing but e to the power b. Okay, this is how we have to do the questions. Now apart from this we will be discussing few more curves like y is equal to say a plus b by x. So in this category, you should put 1 by x is equal to capital X. So this will get converted into a plus bx. Understand? So you can convert it into linear. Same way if I put y is equal to a plus bx square. So here also you can put x square is equal to capital X and make it a straight line. So whatever is there, you can always convert it to a straight line. Let us see few questions. Now y is equal to a x to the power b and this is the given data. What I will do, my first step will be log y is equal to log a plus b log x. Okay. So capital Y is equal to a plus b capital X. Now I will write down its normal equation. So summation capital Y is equal to na plus b summation capital X. Now multiply this equation by capital X and take summation. So summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay. Now let us, as per the normal equation, I should frame the table. Xy is already there. Now I will make capital X, which is equal to log x. Capital Y, which is equal to log y. Okay. Then I will make capital X square and then I will make capital XY. Okay. So now let us fill the column. So if you see the values of x, it will be 0, 0.6931, 1.0986. You should pause the video, you should calculate and then you should cross check. Okay, and if you add all these values, you will get 4.7874, which is the value of summation capital X. Same way for y you find out. So minus 0.6931, 0.6931, 1.5041, 2.0794, 2.5257. And if you add, you will get summation 6.1092. Right? Same way, now you square all these values. So your square values will be 0, 0.4801, 1.2069, 1.9218, 2.5902, and your summation x square will be equal to 6.1993. Okay, then xy, if you see, it will be 0, 0.4804, 1.6524, 2.8827, 4.0649. So this summation value will be 9.0804. Correct. Now all the summation value you put in the normal equation. What is the value of summation y? It is 6.1092 is equal to n is number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5a plus b, what is summation x? 4.7874. Now second equation is summation xy. So 9.0804 is equal to a summation x 4.7874 plus b summation x square is 6.1993. Now these two are the simultaneous equation. You can use your calculator, go to mode and use your calculator and get the value of a and b. So you will observe that small b is 1.9998, which is approximately equal to 2, and a is equal to minus 0.6929. Now this is the capital A. So what is a small a? I told you it is e to the power capital A. So in calculator you use e to the power and find out a. So a will be equal to approximately 0.5. So what is my answer? The curve given was y is equal to a x to the power b. So my answer will be y is equal to 0.5 x square. So this is our answer. And as I have shown you that in calculator directly you can get this answer. So after doing, don't forget to cross check your answer using calculator. For that also I have uploaded the video ki how to evaluate the curve using calculator. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Now I have this curve. So y is equal to a b to the power x. Take log. Log y is equal to log a plus x log b. So capital Y is equal to capital A plus x b. Now here you observe small x is small x. There is no change in that. Now what will be the normal equations? First take the summation. So summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Okay. Then multiply the whole equation by small x because small x is there. So small x into y is equal to a summation x. Okay. Now what is required? Sorry. I need capital Y. So make a column of capital Y as log of y. Then I need small x square and I need small x into y. Correct. So now let us fill the column. So first you fill up the column of log y. So quickly take out your calculator and pause the video and fill up all the values. Okay. Many students do mistake in this only because they take log base 10. You are supposed to take base e, that is ln in your calculator, not log. Okay, this is how you will make the table. Now from here it is very clear that summation y is equal to 34.8471, summation x, this is y, capital Y, summation x is 28, summation x square is equal to 194, and summation xy is equal to 181.3214. Now substitute all these values in these two equations. So you will get, first let us see this equation, summation y. So 34.8471 is equal to, n is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. So 6a plus b into 28. Then summation xy is 181.3214 is equal to a 28 plus b 194. Now these two are the simultaneous equation. Use your calculator and get the value of a and b. So now capital A is equal to 4.4298 and capital B is equal to 0.2953. Okay, so small a is equal to e to the power a, which is equal to 83.91, and small b is e to the power b, which is equal to 1.3435. So my final answer will be y is equal to 83.91 into 1.34 to the power x. So this is my final answer. Okay, so this is how you have to do the curve. In this I can also put or ask the question, for x is equal to say 7.5, what is the value of y? So you just have to put x is equal to 7.5 and you can get the answer, right? So now let us see one more question. Now this is the application based question. So you should not get confused if variables are changed. In place of x and y, they can put the other variable also, which we have done in the previous videos as well. Now here understand the question. They are giving pressure and volume. Okay. And I can make it out that volume is depending upon pressure, means my P is the independent variable and volume is depending upon P, means V is playing the role of Y. So for your reference, you can write with pencil Y and this as X. Correct? So it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Now what is a curve? P V to the power gamma is equal to K. They have said gamma and K are constant, means gamma and K are playing the role of your A and B, right? So that you have to take care. Now let us start. If you take log on both the side, what you will get? Log P plus gamma log V is equal to log K. Correct? Now as I said, V is playing the role of Y and I will always prefer to write the equation as Y is equal to. So let me try to do that. So log V is equal to log K plus log P upon gamma. Correct? Now I want to compare this with my linear equation. Look here, log V is equal to, this should be minus, right? This has to be minus. Correct? Now I have this. What I'll do, I'll substitute y is equal to a plus bx. Okay. Now if I compare this, what I am substituting basically, y is equal to log v. A is equal to log k by gamma. and b is equal to minus 1 by gamma. And log p. Or I can say that bx, see, compare here, this term is there and I am replacing it by bx. So I can say that capital X is equal to log p. Okay, capital X is log p and b is only minus 1 by gamma. Okay, minus 1 by gamma. Correct? So that will simplify the things. Now, if I have this equation, I should write the normal equation. So summation y is equal to NA plus B summation x. Okay, and summation xy is equal to A summation x plus B summation x square. Now go back to this table. Now what is required in the table? As per the normal equations, first I need to convert this P and V to y and x. So I will make first column as y and y is equal to log of v. Remember to take base e. Okay. Same way I will make x which is equal to log p. Right. Then I will make x square and then I will make xy. Correct. So this will be the easiest way to handle this question. Now if I do this, what I will have? Y values if you are putting, you will get 7.3902, 6.9078, 6.6201, like this you find out. Same way you find out x values minus 0.6931, 0, and like this you fill up. Same way xy you fill up, x square you fill up. What exactly I need here? I need summation y, summation x, summation xy, and I need to substitute those values. Now I need to figure out all the summation values, right? So if you observe, just pause the video and write down calculate all the values and cross check the answer. Summation x will be 2.4204. Summation y will be 39.7328. Summation xy will be equal to 14.48 and summation x square will be 3.1717. Right? Substitute it in my normal equations. So what you will get? 39.73 is equal to 6a plus 2.4204b and 14.4849 is equal to 2.4204a plus 3.1717b. Solve this, you will get a is equal to 69053 and b is equal to minus 0.7020. Now we know that what is the value of a. A is log k upon gamma, right? So this value I should equate with log k by gamma is equal to 69053. And same way my other value is b value. And I know that b value is also what I have assumed here. See, b value is minus 1 by gamma. So b is equal to minus means plus 1 by 0.7020. Correct? So solving these two equations, now k value will be what? K log k is equal to gamma 69053. So k is equal to e to the power gamma 69053. And from here I can get the value of gamma also. Right? So when you fit the curve, you will get the answer as p v to the power 1.4245 is equal to 18460.71. So this is how we can find out the curve. So it is easy only. You just need to focus properly and take care of the log property. That's it. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.